Students, hope you all are fine and doing well. Students, in the previous class, we were doing the lesson Ranji's Wonderful Bat. So, before starting the remaining part, let's have a brief recap of the previous class. So, in the previous class, we have seen that there is a match going on between two teams, and the team of Ranjis, they were not playing well. So in his team, the best and the good batsmen, they were out, and only the bowlers who were not expected to make many runs were left, and it was Ranji's turn to bat. He was the youngest member of the team. He was only 11 years old. But what happened? He was full of energy, full of enthusiasm, and full of confidence. As he walked briskly to the wicket, his unruly black hair was blown off by a cool breeze that was coming down from the hills. Ranji had a good eye and a strong wrist and had made lots of run in some of the minor matches. That means some of the ordinary games. Okay. So now let's start with the remaining part. Have a look. Page number 17. But, so turn to next page. But in the last two inter-school games, his score had been poor, the highest being 12 runs. Now he was determined to make enough runs to take his side to victory. So here what happened? Last two inter-school game that was played by Ranji, he had not scored well. The highest run he scored was 12. But now he was determined. He was encouraged to make enough run so that they can win. Ranji took his guard and prepared to face the bowler. The fielders moved closer in anticipation of another catch. Here, anticipation means hope and expectation. So what happened? Ranji took his guard. And guard means, what do we mean by guard? The bat. Okay, he took the bat and he is ready to face the bowler. So the fielders, they were moving closer. They were moving closer with the hope and anticipations, hope and expectation that they can make him run out. The tall first bowler scowled and began his long run. His arm wheeled and the hard shiny red ball came hurling towards Ranji. So the tall first bowler who was hoping to make out Ranji, he began with his long run and his arm reel had hard shiny red ball that come hurling towards Ranji. Ranji was going to lunge forward and play the ball back to the bowler, but at the last moment he changed his mind and stepped back, intending to push the ball through the ring of fielders on his right or offside. The ball swung in the air, shoot off the grass and came through sharply to strike Ranji on his paths. So what happened suddenly? He played the ball. Okay, so he played the ball back to the bowler, but at the last moment Ranji changed his mind and he stepped back. So he was intending to push the ball through the ring of the fielders on his right side, that or offside. So the ball swung in the air. He shoot off the grass, and what happened? The ball came through sharply to strike on Ranji's paths. "How's that?" screamed the bowler, hopping about like a kangaroo. So the bowler thought that Ranji was out. So the bowler screamed loudly, "How's that?" He screamed loudly and the bowler was hopping like a kangaroo. "How?" shouted the wicket-keeper. "How?" asked all the fielders. The umpire slowly raised a finger. So here, "How?" the wicket-keeper shouted. Okay. Then the fielder also shouted, "How?" Then the umpire, what he did, he slowly raised his finger. Out, he said. And it was Ranji's turn to walk back to the tool shed. The match was won by the visiting team. Never mind, said Suraj, patting Ranji on the back. So the match was won by the opposition team. Okay, at the time what happened, his friend Suraj patted on the back of Ranji and said, never mind, this is just a game. You will do better next time. You re out of from just now, that's all. So Suraj told to Ranji that don't worry, you will do well in the next time, in next game. So don't worry, this is a part of the game. So you have to be free-minded. So you are going to do better in the next game, don't worry. But their cricket coach was sterner. You will have to make more runs in next game, he warned Ranji, or you will lose your place in the side. So here his next coach, that means the coach of Ranji, was less forgiving. That means he was not merciful or pitiful to Ranji. Instead, he said that next time you have to score more runs or you will be out from your place. Avoiding the other players, Ranji walked slowly homeward, his head down, his hand in his pocket. He was very upset. He had been trying so hard and practicing regularly. But when an important game came along, he failed to make a big score. So, avoiding the other players, Ranji walked out slowly from the field. So he was very much feeling awkward. That means he was not feeling well. Feeling well means he was feeling ashamed because he could not make a run. He was out in the first ball only. So he was very upset. Okay, so he although he was trying very hard, he was practicing regularly for this game, but at last when during an important game, when the time comes, he used to fail to score to make a good score. It seemed that there was nothing he could do about it, but he loved playing cricket and he could not bear the thought of being out of the school team. So it seemed for him that he could not do better than that. Okay, but what he did, he loved playing cricket and he could not bear the thought, he could not bear the words said by his coach that you will not, if you cannot make good run in the next game, you will be out from your place. So this thought is coming in his mind and he could not bear this thought. On his way home, he had to pass the clock tower. He often stopped at Mr. Kumar's sports shop to chat with the owner or look at all the things on the slab. Footballs, cricket balls, badminton rackets, hockey stick balls of various shapes and sizes. So on his way home, okay, on the way of his home, there is a shop. Okay, shop in nearby the clock tower. The name, the owner of the shop is Mr. Kumar's sports shop. So in that sports shop, there is the football, cricket balls, badminton rackets, hockey stick, and various balls of various shape and size. So it was a wonderland where Ranji usually liked to linger. So this was the place and this was the wonderland for Ranji where he likes to go and visit and see the different various games instrument. Okay, so here, but this was one day when he didn't feel like stopping. So today, well, he was upset from his own wrong deed that he was out on the match. For that he was having his mind was not so well, so he didn't stop on the shop. He went straight. He didn't stop there. So children, we will stop up to here. Hope you are clear enough with the explanation. I hope so. If you have any doubt, you can get back to me. Thank you.